Is the Federal Reserve missing its moment to boost the economy and your portfolio? Wharton's Jeremy Siegel joins CNBC and breaks down why he believes the market is poised for a bullish run if the Fed acts, and how global events and policy decisions could tip the scales. Stick around to hear Siegel's expert insights on how rate cuts, geopolitical tensions, and upcoming decisions could shape the market's next big move, and what investors should watch for to stay ahead.
On the Mideast, I don't know if you would call it a 2-week window, which Trump gave a couple days ago. We have triple witching. So there's a lot of cross currents, but I think the bullish tendency is there. There's more, I think, there could be bad things coming out of the Mideast, but there could be some very good things coming out of the Middle East. So I think that balance is certainly not negative.
Well, let me ask you that. Let me interrupt you, and forgive me for doing that.
Yeah.
You say there could be some very good things.
Yeah.
Like what? I'm thinking about how the market's going to react. If we decide to get involved in the Middle East, if the president makes that decision, what do stocks do? Because I feel like now, when he put the 2-week time frame on the decision,
yeah,
are we stalled for the next 2 weeks and then we go up or down based on what he decides?
Well, I think it also depends on, basically, will Iran come back to the negotiating table? Is there enough pressure now? I think Iran is in a weaker position now than it was 2 months ago. I think it's more likely they're going to come to the no guarantee, of course, Scott, that they will. But coming to the negotiating table in a weaker position would be a stronger position for the West and a more favorable position for the United States. So that's what I mean about the balance potentially being positive here.
If we join in some sort of military action, is that a net negative, no doubt, for the stock market?
Well, it's, partly, we're talking, of course, about Fordo and whether we're going to have the Buster bombers. That is what's talked about. Is that a one and done for the U.S. and then let the Israelis try to take, control from there? I think we also have to know, what are the set of demands that Netanyahu and Trump are going to put forth to Iran? What do they have to do to stop the attack by Israel? And, I know that Trump called for, a complete total surrender. That's not going to happen. But clearly there are a set of conditions in mind. And if they're put forth and Iran says, given our position, maybe that's the best we can do. That's a net positive outcome.